Sick of alarms in the morning? Try something new. Wake up feeling fresher with SwitchBot Blind Tilt. It's super easy to install and easy to maintain too. You can also enjoy never-ending battery life with a solar panel included. Use not only our app to control blind tilt, but also NFC tags, or
Alexa, open the blinds.
even control using voice commands, whatever you like. What? You want to control your blinds manually? Not a problem. Blind Tilt will auto-sync to compensate. And if you want to use them all, go for it! Wow! Would you look at that? It works with other SwitchBot products too, helping you to keep home light private. And as well as this, it can also help you to keep everything at home safe as well. And with its built-in light sensor, you can set constant brightness levels, and Blind Tilt will adjust automatically. When natural light is not enough, SwitchBot Color Bulb also works together with Blind Tilt to help seamlessly maintain your lighting environment. And hey, it's so quiet, you may not even notice it at all.